Fox Richmond cares, and you do too. We are so excited to let you know our Fox Holiday Socks campaign was a huge success.
And thanks to you, more than 5,000 socks were filled. That means many kids in our community will have a very special Christmas.
This Fox Holiday Socks Update is sponsored by Virginia Family Dentistry.
I am always amazed at the amount of support that we get from the community and by the amount of families we get to help by being a part of this incredible event.
Everywhere you look at the Salvation Army, you'll find stockings. They're filled with toys for children in need to open on Christmas.
So this has been a wonderful experience. The turnout was amazing this year from all of the donations that we received and the volunteers that participated. And as you can see, all the Fox Holiday Socks, it's just going to be an amazing time to be able to give back to the community and make sure that we bring a little sprinkle of joy into every home this Christmas.
Dr. Christina Franklin is with Virginia Family Dentistry. They're a huge part of the reason why this all happened.
We're able to impact the community beyond just our traditional smiles. We're able to give smiles through just our donations and our time.
This week, volunteers will help ensure these stockings get handed out to more than 5,000 children.
So we are so grateful for the community and all the volunteers who brought the beautiful stockings last week and past weeks. So we are ready to give them away this week. So we are so grateful for their effort and their hearts for those children.
Fox Richmond asks you to join us in buying items. You could shop in person or online, and you answered.
So as a mother of 3 and knowing how difficult Christmas time can be, it makes me feel so warm and just so proud to know that these stockings are going to be opened by children that might not have had something to open under the tree for Christmas. And so just bringing that, once again, that sprinkle of joy back into those homes is just, it's wonderful.
There are still a lot of people who has a true heart for those people, those children who needs in help.
The donations changing Christmas for so many families in RVA, something that speaks to the heart of our sponsors.
We couldn't do this without the help of our community partners. With the businesses in the community, when they get behind an event like this, it really just gives it a boost. It gives it legs. It allows us to reach more people and get the word out, and we're very proud of our partners. We couldn't do it without them.
A lot of our communities are struggling right now, and to do anything you can during the holiday season is so important. And to give back to these kiddos, it just warms our heart.
Now, thousands of kids will have something under the tree, all because you joined us in this mission.
Thank you to the Richmond community. Thank you to our volunteers. Thank you to our sponsors. Thank you to everyone that has a hand. Thank you to the Salvation Army. Thank you to everybody that has played a role in making this one of the greatest things that the community sees during the holiday season.
And if you want to read about the campaign, go to foxrichmond.com. And of course, we'll be back next November to do it again.